What's up guys, Derek Johnson here. Today I'm going to be showing you a cool new tool that I'm using. It's called DropFunnels, and actually I'm giving away 3 people some fast action bonuses if you want to try this out. You get a 2-week free trial. I'll drop the link below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to respond to those. Other than that, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, let's jump right in. I'm doing this offer here, partnering with Jordan with his platform, DropFunnels. So if you haven't heard of DropFunnels, I would check it out. It's a website and funnel builder that I'm moving a lot of my stuff to. Basically, you can create funnels like this one, as well as blogs, which you can rank for SEO. The page load speed is a lot faster. So I'm going to be creating this offer right in front of you guys, and then you can come check this video out where Jordan talks about his system. So in addition to his system, which he currently has for half price, I think it's $49 a month for the starter plan, I'm going to throw in Chirply if you use my link to sign up. So let's build this offer out, show you guys how this works. Basically, I'm creating a Link Wizard link here. So this is my affiliate link for DropFunnels. So once you sign up, there's a 14-day free trial. You can dive in and test out DropFunnels. You're also going to get Chirply, the starter plan of Chirply, for 14 days free. So you can try these out. These 2 things together are super powerful. And I'll be showing people who end up taking me up on this offer how to get the most out of these. You can do a lot of cool automations and really scale a business for just $49 a month. So what I'm going to do is create this offer here. It's going to be DropFunnels plus Chirply. And this will be a limited time offer. Down here's the description. We'll say DropFunnels starter plan plus Chirply starter plan for just $49 a month for life. So Jordan is price locking DropFunnels. That's my understanding. So the starter plan is actually going to be $97 a month. Right now it's $49 a month. You get a 14-day free trial. You can create landing pages like the one he's using to sell his platform. Awesome looking carts like this. And I'm going to hook you up with some cool stuff. You can use Chirply. So once people give you their info, you can automate text messages, ringless voicemails, outgoing IVRs, and all kinds of cool stuff like that. You can set up follow-up sequences or whatever you might want to do. But basically, I'm going to create a thumbnail for this real quick. If you guys don't have Canva, highly recommend Canva. It's a free design tool. I was not a designer, still am not. But over time, just using Canva, you can make some pretty cool stuff. You can see here my daughter also uses this. She's been helping me create some of these thumbnails. I actually used one that she created here. She made this one for me. I put this on YouTube. So I was like, if you want to earn some Robux, make me some YouTube thumbnails. So she created some YouTube thumbnails and got paid in Robux for the parents who know what Roblox is. That's a good way to motivate your kids. But basically, let's create a new thumbnail here. All I do is make a copy, and I'll come over here to uploads and see if I can find the DropFunnels logo. So there's that. Get rid of this guy. Might use this and might not. Let's see how it goes. So we're going to do DropFunnels plus Chirply. And let's see what else we got here. I'll throw this one in. Slide that guy over. Complete marketing system. Shrink that down a little bit so it fits. Actually make it a little bit bigger. And that's good enough for me. So I'm going to download that thumbnail. Now I can use this on YouTube and also in my Link Wizard preview here. So I'm going to find it in this downloads folder. I can't remember what it was called. There it is right there. So, complete marketing system, DropFunnels, Chirply, limited time offer, $49 a month for life. So we'll say, get your complete marketing and automation system today. Unlimited funnels, blog, membership sites, and follow-up systems. And I'll hit create short link. So I'll just open up Facebook here and I'll drop this link below the video. Anyone wants to jump on this deal. Like I said, you got a 14-day free trial and you will be price locked for life on DropFunnels plus Chirply. Leanna Alcock is not interested. He is already making tons of money with other marketing platforms. So we'll drop this link here. So we'll do some quick action bonuses here as well. So the first 3 people that sign up for this deal, I'm going to actually include a Link Wizard account as well as an InvoicingYou account. So InvoicingYou, you can get paid by just sharing a URL. So those are super helpful, and I'll drop some videos below kind of showing you how those work as well. Link Wizard, obviously this is a super powerful link tracking tool you can use to create custom links. You can add your domain to those, and it'll track all of your clicks, conversions, and sales. If you set that up, you can see here it's got conversion stats. Let's hit refresh here. So you can see I got 4 clicks since I posted it. One of them might be me. And there's a few people probably checking this out. So, like I said, first 3 people that sign up for this deal, I'm going to include Chirply Starter plan. I'm going to give you the unlimited Link Wizard account and unlimited InvoicingYou account. So that's 4 software for $49 a month. You can see my DropFunnels site here as well. So that's my DropFunnels site. I haven't really completed it all the way, but pay attention to how fast it loads compared to whatever you're using currently. So it's got super fast load speeds. You can create blog posts on it like this, and also sales funnels. So it can be your shopping cart. You can start ranking your sales funnels because they're so fast. You can optimize everything for SEO purposes, and Google's just going to like it a lot more than other platforms. So it's built on WordPress, but they have tons of templates you can use. Basically fill this out. You don't pay anything today. You get it for 2 weeks for free. After that, it's just $49 a month. I guess if you have any questions, if I'm still on here, drop them below. Otherwise, click through this link, watch the video, and if you sign up, just shoot me a message, and I'll unlock those bonuses for you. So first 3 people are getting Chirply, Link Wizard, and InvoicingYou. After that, you can still get Chirply as long as this deal's live. I may take it down at some point, but you can completely run a business using these software, and you can automate it. So that's going to be super powerful. I'll show you guys how to do some of that as well once you get signed up. So if you want to sell products online, sell services online, create subscription-based income that comes in every month, these are the software tools you need for $49 a month. It's hard to beat that. Other than that, drop your questions below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.